The teeth work it.
Clara, I don't think I was recording.
Thank you. Now that one.
Huh?
Hey, how about your stuff for school?
Not yet.
I need to go buy the.
Nah, I'm gonna go get some shoes.
I need to go buy some more shirts, but they didn't let me go last time because
That's the thing.
Sophomores, I think sophomores and above will start new stuff like stuff with the freshmen. But I doubt it though. I mean, these incoming freshmen are like, yeah, hi. They're so small.
Like the ones at Hamilton when we left, they're like the sixth
They're
graders
so
are like.
nerdy though. They're like always with some book
They're trying to mess with someone who's older, and then when they get up there.
You will put them straight in line.
She's recording right now.
Yellow.
Man, I still need to read the book that they.
Who is that? It was a second.
Oh.
You're on the chair. You said everybody laugh. Oh, you know what? Oh, girl. You want that?
Oh, as long as they're green. Because the brown one.
No, to pull my hair.